Hi everyone, today I am in Mumbai. Mumbai is known as the financial capital of India because it's home to many important financial institutions including stock exchanges, Reserve Bank of India, corporate headquarters. Mumbai is also a leading center for trade and commerce and contributes over 5% of India's GDP and 25% of industrial output. Today I am going to travel with one of the important modes of transport in Mumbai, the Mumbai Suburban Railway. The Mumbai Railway is one of the busiest commuter rail system in the world. The Mumbai Suburban Railway spreads over 500 kilometers and operates 2,400 train services and carries more than 70 lakhs passengers daily and works 22 hours in a day, which acts as lifeline of the city. Mumbai is always busy, never sleeps. I am yours Srikanth. Let's explore the world's biggest slum, Dharavi. Dharavi is just 3 kilometers in size but having more than 10 lakhs of population and making the world's biggest slums and which is in heart of Mumbai. So let's explore and see what's special and how the world is going to be inside the Dharavi. Now I am entering into one of the industrial lane of Dharavi. Basically people who are working here, they are into tailoring, plastic recycling, leather crafting and textile processing. Despite residing in narrow living spaces, the residents of Dharavi continue to exhibit resourcefulness and innovation, shaping the plastic, leather and textile production. Dharavi GDP is almost 1 billion US dollars in a year. Now I am going to enter into one of the lanes of Dharavi slum and I am exploring myself without any guide and I am very new to this place, so I am taking all my risk and entering into the Dharavi lanes single, and these lanes are very small and narrow, only one person can fit and there is no space for second person. See, very small, only one person can walk from these lanes. The houses looks very small. See, we can see there is a pottery work is going there, all smoke is coming and I can see some of people working here from their house only making pottery works and I don't know how it's going to be inside. We'll go inside more and we'll explore. I'll try to show you some interesting things. If I get something, I'll try to definitely show you all and we'll go inside. We'll see what will happen. Everywhere like the houses looks very tiny, small and the water everywhere. I don't know anything here. I am new to this place but still I am trying to pass from the lanes. Here I can see the lanes are very small, narrow and people who are staying here are really great and I can see in some houses people are almost like 5-6 members are staying together in small spaces. It will be like 5 feet or 10 feet, I don't know, not much. And this place is for pottery making. People are working on pottery and this after their production they will be supplying into the city and other states also. Basically in Dharavi people work on these things only. So a lot of works are going in Dharavi, inside of Dharavi. It is very challenging to live here. See, this lane is very dark and I came here mid of the afternoon but the lane is very dark and I can see the drainage is open and rats are going everywhere. It's like I can't even describe how I was feeling at this lane everywhere drainage opened and the water going floating. The smell is everywhere. It's difficult to walk in few lanes. Why? Because there is no proper light and the houses are almost like in dark and no air. It's like a lot of humid. My body is getting a lot of sweat and I'm unable to breathe properly also. Dharavi slum has given me a challenge and it has tested my strength definitely. Why? Because I need to pass from darkest narrow lanes and no proper air also, and I really say this is not belongs to everyone. It is only for the people who are very strong. I am trying to explore one of the house in Dharavi, but whenever I am taking camera towards them, people are not showing any interest. So I feel like I don't want to disturb them. So people here are always busy with their works and talented and educated. So I feel like these people are not like other slums in India. This Dharavi is very different from other slums. Not every house in Dharavi has direct access to fresh water, but most have pipes hanging outside. Daily, early morning BMC, the local civic body of Mumbai, will release water for 2 hours. Dharavi people will have to face a challenge every morning because for every 1500 people there is one toilet. The toilets will look like this. They are very bad condition. So everything is challenge for Dharavi people. Dharavi slum has many schools as 80, including primary, secondary and private schools. Dharavi known for being one of the most educated slums in India with a literacy rate of 69%, which is very good. Dharavi has many talented children. NGOs working with them few are like the Pathshala, the Dharavi Dream Project, Dharavi Art Room. All these NGOs involved in different activities like coloring, drawing techniques, storytelling, rap beatboxing, breakdancing and quantity art and hip hop. All these activities giving new hope in Dharavi's kids. Slum redevelopment. Government approved a new model for the slums redevelopment. The state was to provide 300 SFT houses for free to residents, but from 2000 and 2011 project never got off the ground due to various reasons. Is Dharavi slum redevelopment alive? Yes, the bid for the Dharavi redevelopment project were opened at the end of November 2022 and the Adani group emerged as the highest bidder with 5,000 crores. Adani committed to provide new homes to eligible residents. So I am expecting that very soon in future, like in next few years, this slum is going to become one of the colonies like other colonies in Mumbai. So there is no more slum to be in Mumbai, and I'm expecting that we don't want to become biggest slum in the world, or we don't want to listen that anymore. Believe that, and we are going to change our slum to city. Thank you for